Turn a picture of Christmas lights into real lights and decorate your tree with them. It's a Christmas miracle! Want to try something fresh and outstanding? Watch spectacular experiments, awesome pranks, and breathtaking crushing in slow-mo. Subscribe to Whoa Motion channel. Follow the link in the description. Are you out of Christmas inspiration? Then I suggest a challenge. Paint a Christmas story, but without brushes. You can use a dishwashing brush and a fork. Can you handle it? Easy! Tom already knows what he'll be painting. It'll be a Christmas wreath using a fork. Coat a big cardboard circle with white acrylic paint. Apply brown acrylic paint to yarn. Place the yarn around the edge and make an imprint of the paint on the cardboard in the shape of a vine. Adjust it with a brush. Dip a fork into green paint and make imprints that look like fir tree branches. Dip the eraser on a pencil into red paint and make dots. They'll be berries. Paint branches. Add holly leaves and vine branches. Use the tip of the brush to add highlights on the berries with lighter paint. And Redhead will paint a whole forest with just one bottle cleaning brush. We'll need a canvas on a cardboard base. Apply acrylic paints onto it. Spread it over with a brush. Create a gradient effect. Flick white acrylic paint onto the canvas. Make a starry sky. Dip a bottle cleaning brush into dark paint. And paint evergreen trees. Our workshop is buzzing with creativity. But what's that? Tom's cheating. He's using a brush. That's against the rules. Hey, give me your brush, Mr. Monet. Now, let's compare the results. Tom has a beautiful Christmas wreath, and Redhead created a mystical winter forest. Our decor is perfect for our holiday theme. Yay! I can finally open my presents! Awesome! A denim skirt with a Christmas reindeer. Trace the outline of a reindeer on a denim skirt using white paint. Prime the base with white paint. Shade the back of the template with a pencil. Trace the details on the primer. The picture will transfer onto the fabric. Color the picture with fabric paints. Add snow. Iron the picture through parchment paper to secure the paint. What a cute Christmas reindeer! Now I have something to wear to a Christmas party! I need some shoes to match my outfit. No big deal, I'll just make some. Shade the back of a Christmas greeting template with a crayon. And trace it on Uggs. Color it with glow-in-the-dark paint. Add details. Paint the sole blue. Christmas Uggs! This is every Christmas elf's dream! And they also glow in the dark! These are great shoes for a holiday party! My feet are decorated! But what about my arms? I'll come up with something! Use a water marker for a magnet board to make a drawing on a bowl. Carefully pour warm water into the bowl little by little. The drawing slowly comes up. Oh, it's a Christmas miracle! Put the drawing onto your hand. Nice! Now I'm ready for a Christmas party! What could possibly be better than brewing some tea on a cold winter evening? While someone is drinking tea, Redhead is cleaning all brushes. Hey, can you also clean the tea strainer? How rude! Although, that might help me clean my brushes faster. Put a tea strainer into a cup and rub brushes on it. It's fast and effective. And you can wash the tea strainer yourself. There you go! Now there's a huge puddle here! Fine, let's fix it! Cut a pool noodle to fit a lunchbox. Cut it lengthwise and fasten the piece onto the side of the container. Make crosscuts. Stick the brushes into them with the bristles at the bottom. Now all the water from the brushes is in the box. It's a great holder for wet brushes. Christmas is coming! Look, this room got decorated so quickly! Let's try to pull off the same trick. We have a whole box of Christmas spirit. Look, and here's the perfect ornament. It's a stained glass bauble that will definitely help us recreate the life hack in the video. Apply stained glass paint to half of a plastic ball. Rotate it. Move the brush and create a marble pattern. Let it dry. Put in a glowing ball from a toy. Join the halves and attach a ribbon bow. Wow! This ornament glows! It can definitely work Christmas magic! Let's test it! We'll leave. Then throw the ball into the room. Count to 3. Well, we'll have to decorate the room ourselves. Let's see what we can find here. Printed snowflakes and glue. I think I know what we can make. Mix Elmer's glue with silver glitter. Put the mix into a Ziploc bag. Cut off the corner. Cover printed snowflakes with clear plastic and trace them with glittery glue. Remove the snowflakes from the plastic when they dry. This is a real snowflake! It's perfect for decorating the mirror. Let's use Elmer's glue and make a whole snowstorm. Let it snow! And here comes the Christmas tree. Everything is going to look festive very soon. Our Christmas decorations have to be absolutely perfect. But these cushions don't fit into our Christmas interior design at all. What should we do? Whoa! Santa himself sent us this cushion. Put a piece of cardboard into a cushion case. Sketch out a Christmas picture, like Santa Claus with a fluffy beard. Color the picture with fabric paints. Dip a little ball into pearly paint and roll the ball to make a spiral print on Santa's beard. Define the picture with acrylic liner and put the case onto a cushion. How beautiful! Look, this cushion is perfect for our Christmas-themed decorations. We need different paintings. While Redhead is thinking about art, Tom is thinking about food. Want some? No, thanks. Whoops! It looks like someone salted the table. Spilling salt is a bad omen. You need to throw it over your shoulder before it's too late. Hey, Tom, why did you salt my picture? Although, I like this effect. It could make for a nice landscape. Secure a sheet of watercolor paper with paper tape. Dampen it with water. Apply watercolor paint. Create a sky. Sprinkle it with salt. It'll soak in moisture. Shake off the salt. Apply acrylic paint onto cardboard strips and make imprints on the painting. Make houses. Add details. Create a city at night. Remove the tape. Do you like my winter city landscape? These houses are the best thing that have happened to this salt all year. Redhead has a whole collection of brushes left over after a painting session. Where should she put them? Tom has an interesting Christmas idea. Cut a styrofoam ball. Put a spruce tree twig into 1/2. Put it into a school supply cup and pour water into it. Make a hole in decorative drum ornaments using the heated nozzle of a glue gun. Hang the drums on the twig. Put paintbrushes into the holes. Now your brushes are part of our Christmas decoration. This is a very artistic Christmas tree. Did you like our life hacks? Then comment below what you'll paint this Christmas. A picture, a Christmas wreath, a cushion, or a skirt. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new useful life hacks from Troom.